We're back with week 3 of my Wake and Bake series, and we're going handheld with these hot, flaky sausage and peppers and spinach and mushroom mini quiches. Let's hop in. Start your quiche dough by mixing salt with flour, then add cold grated butter and vegetable shortening. A dough cutter or my food processor would have made combining this much easier, but I chose neither. Add water and egg yolks, then knead until your dough comes together. Cover and freeze for 30 minutes. For our filling, we have about 10 eggs, add black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and half, then whisk that together thoroughly. Cut the dough into 3 pieces. This made 3 batches of 6 jumbo quiche. The dough needs to stay cold, so put the pieces you aren't working with in the fridge. Cut out each piece of dough into 6 and roll it out into a large circle better than I did. Line your muffin tin with the dough pieces and press down with paper liners. Fill with beans or pie weights to keep the dough from puffing while pre-baking. This is going to keep the crust from getting soggy. Bake at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes, remove the paper and weights, and continue baking for 5 to 10 more minutes until the crust is just beginning to brown. Let cool completely before filling. If in a rush, stick the shells in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Fill each shell with your preferred mix-ins and the egg. This one was sauteed peppers and onions with breakfast sausage and sharp cheddar. These quiche were spinach, sauteed mushrooms, and feta cheese. Don't worry if a little egg overflows, it still bakes up crispy. Bake at 350 for 25 minutes. Rest for 5 minutes, then it's ready to serve, or cool, freeze, and reheat when you need a filling, hearty breakfast on the go. My fave was the spinach and mushroom, but the rest of my fam preferred the sausage and peppers. Try them both out and let me know which takes your number 1. Recipe on my newsletter at yardygalcuisine.com.